Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we will see how to change the wallpaper on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. So the first step is to open the settings app. From here, search wallpaper. Now tap on wallpaper and personalization. From here, you can choose any wallpaper you like. Just tap on it, hit apply, and select if you want to set it as a lock screen or a home screen image, or tap on both. Now, as you can see, this is how you can change the wallpaper. Now, as you can see, this is how you can change the wallpaper on your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. Also, if you tap on Find More, you can find more wallpapers from the Themes app on the Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. Just tap a wallpaper you like, hit apply. Now, as you can see, this is how you can change the wallpaper on the Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.